Will County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, southern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plano, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elburn, Naperville, North Aurora, Geneva, Boulder Hill, Caneville, Aurora, Bristol, Warrenville, Plano, Oswego, Montgomery, Big Rock, Batavia, Hinckley, Sugar Grove, Yorkville, Little Rock, Maple Park, St. Charles, Sandwich, Cortland, DeKalb, West Chicago, and Waterman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.